Well, good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. So this is just going to be a short video. I'm just showing you what I'm doing today, this morning. I have a new crop of cilantro from Farmer's Market that I got. It looks amazing. And though I need some fresh cilantro, I am going to be making cilantro powder out of this, because it is so good. It's got a very, very strong smell. It will make the best powder. Also, I have the end pieces, like the inside pieces of celery left that I'm just going to make celery powder out of. So these are going to the dehydrator as well. And then I want to show you, this is a celery from my garden that I've been cutting. I've been using the end pieces and putting it in water. And I was doing that to make the leaves bigger to make celery powder. So if you cut your celery, even from the store, you cut the end of it. See how this is brown? You just cut that off until like right here where it's not brown anymore. Let's see if we can get that. And then you stick it in water. And limp celery, the same with cilantro or parsley or anything like that, put it in like a little vase of water and it will perk right back up. This is nice and crispy, but these leaves have quadrupled in size. So I intend to do that with a lot of the ends of my celery pieces that I'm growing outside, because I want to make good, keep saying cilantro, celery powder. And these leaves are amazing for celery powder. So look at how big these are compared to normal leaves. They're about, there you go, like half the size of my hand, almost the size of my hand. Yeah, these are really big. So I am going to be cutting these, or just pulling them off and adding them to this tray, and then cutting the rest of this piece of celery that I've been growing the leaves on, and then adding it to this bunch. So I just wanted to show you guys what I was doing really quickly. I also have some green beans that I'm going to be canning up. I have carrots, and this right here, I am growing some basil in my kitchen. And I've been picking at it, and I've already got a quart jar full of dehydrated basil. So this also is going to be made into a seasoning powder. So wanted to show you too our celery. And yes, it looks horrible on the bottom, but look at how much growth there is. So it's actually got like a little celery, you can see right there, that's coming out. And this is going to be planted in the garden. And then I have another one over here that's really taking off too. So I have a fluorescent light here. And I start all of my starts here. And this is just over my sink. And they just grow. So I'm also going to be showing you how to make, these are green onions. You put them in water. And that's all you do. You can cut them from here and use them, the tops of them, in any dishes like you would chives. I'm going to do a whole video on that. I do have an older video. These are way too big. See, they're falling over. I have an older video on this, and if you guys want to go back and look, but I'm going to be showing you all of these things, as well as the canned green beans. I have canned carrots I'm going to make, and canned potatoes. I have been super busy, you guys, and super in pain. So I have not really been doing a whole lot right now. Just hanging out here and cleaning up as I can, and going through some stuff, and trying to make some money online with my businesses and promoting those. So Thrive Life is one of those. I'm going to be showing you guys the March specials. And I am going to be showing you some Thrive Life recipes, as well as Thrive Life meals in a jar. I also have some asparagus that I'm going to be canning up, and I do have a whole video tutorial on canning asparagus. It comes out really, really good. Let me show you one. Okay, so here we have our canned asparagus, and I did this July of 2019. So I have been using these. These are those 1.5 jars. I have been using these since then, and I'm down to about 4 of these jars. So what do we do with these? First of all, no, they're not mushy at all. I make these exactly as I do regular fresh asparagus. And these taste really good. So what I do is I put them on a tray. I put some olive oil and some seasoning, some garlic on it, mix it all together and put it in the oven on broil, but I put it in the oven so that they don't burn and they get nice and crispy. You can also do this in the air fryer. They come out perfectly well in the air fryer and they are delicious. So many things you can add these to casseroles. I like to keep my stalks nice and long because I dehydrate the very ends of these. These are really good asparagus. Some that are grown here in my garden. I'm not growing enough right now, but I do have some coming up so far. A garden tour is coming. We're going to be cleaning out the garden, hopefully this weekend if it doesn't rain. So lots of stuff coming and lots of giveaways. I am going to jump on here for an impromptu live when I get the chance. And members, we are going to have a live tomorrow. So any channel members that are listening to this, I'm going to be posting it as well. But yes, we are going to have a live tomorrow. It's been a couple weeks. And I will explain what's going on. And we're going to do a giveaway, you guys. So I want to give away some Thrive Life. So I'm going to do a word of the day today. And the word of the day is gardening. So I want you guys to tell me what is in your garden. Have you planted yet? Have you started indoors? Are you guys planning on having a garden? And what's your number one crop that you plan to do? Even if it's just a tiny, tiny little garden. Even if you live in an apartment, it doesn't matter where you live, you can container garden. If you have an acre, or a little tiny patio. I want to know what you guys are gardening this year because it's gardening time for us here in California to plant a lot of stuff, although our weather has been nuts here. We literally had an 80-degree day, actually 81, here at the beach, you guys, 81 degrees 2 days ago on Tuesday. And yesterday it was 70 degrees, and today the high is going to be 63. Yeah. So crazy. It's just crazy for California, but especially crazy for at the beach. We're normally cool. We're coming into our foggy period of the year pretty soon. In another 30 days or so, 35 days, we're going to start getting foggy in the morning. And then it'll clear up. And then for the next 2 months after that, for May and June, April we'll get fog in the morning too, but for May and June, we get fog all day long. And yes, all of my plants grow because of the UV comes in, so it's not a problem with the fog. And it does tend to break up maybe for an hour, hour and a half during the afternoon. Sometime we're completely fogged in all day. So, yeah, that's our summer. So that's what we have to look forward to. So I'm trying to get all of my seeds going and everything. So I want to know if you guys are doing the same thing. I also want to know, since I'm planning next week now, I want to know if you have any questions. I will be jumping on here and answering questions, hopefully in the live that we do. Not for the members only. I will be answering questions for my members, of course, but for all of my viewers, all of my subscribers. So if you have any questions, post them here on this video. I know I'm a few days late due to a lot of unforeseen circumstances, you guys. I am very, very behind and I do apologize. I have a lot of stuff planned. I have purchased a lot of food to can and vegetables and things to show you guys how to dehydrate. And I'm having to do it off camera really, really quickly because I don't want it to go bad. So that's why I jumped on here right now, because I just don't have time or really the energy to do a whole video or a whole live right now. But tomorrow I do plan to. So, and things are going to change next week. I should be getting better. No, I have not had surgery in my wrist, and it's pretty swollen and very, very painful. So I've been dealing with that and back issues. So it's It's been a little bit of a trying time, but I'm hanging in there, and I'm trying to do what I can for you guys and hop on here. We do have a collaboration coming up on the 11th. It's a redo of the first collaboration that I did 4 years ago, What I Will and Will Not Can Again. I am doing that with 18 other channels, many of which were in the original collaboration, like Linda's Pantry, Sutton's Days, The Needy Homesteader. There's just a lot, and many new channels. So I encourage you guys to support all of our new channels. And please stay tuned. There's a lot coming, and that collaboration is going to be awesome. And I'm going to be doing a longer video on What I Will Not Can, and I'm also going to be doing a What I Will and Would Not Dehydrate Again, because there's a lot of things, like I said, that have changed in the last 4 years. So stay tuned for that. There is a lot coming. Please have patience with me. There's just a lot going on right now, you guys. So this cilantro is going in the dehydrator, and I will show you guys how I powder this. And we're canning green beans, canning carrots, canning potatoes, because they have to be canned. Can't wait any longer. Those are probably going to be up on Saturday. And then the asparagus video, if you guys have any questions about that, let me know. They really are delicious. I'm also going to be canning beets again. I will be going to Farmer's Market next Thursday, not today, but next Thursday, and getting a bunch of beets, and we're going to be canning beets again and pickling beets. Oh my gosh, if you guys have not tried my pickled beets recipe, I pickle beets and pickle carrots. They are the best. I'll be showing you guys how to do that again as well, because we have so many new viewers. I also want to thank you guys. We have reached 9,500 subscribers. So we are going to be celebrating, and that's one of the reasons that we're going to be doing a giveaway. It's not going to be the huge giveaway, but there's going to be some big things involved. So, and that's coming soon. So I know I keep saying it's coming soon. Trust me, guys, it's going to be worth the wait. There's just been so much with my health lately that I really haven't been up to doing a live and a giveaway, and I really need my husband's help, or one of my granddaughters' help if I can get them over here to help, but I just can't do it alone right now. So hang in there. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Please like this video. Please share. It really helps my channel. Go back and watch my old videos. That helps my channel as well. And don't forget to comment the word of the day on this video, and you will be entered to win. So when you comment the word of the day, you will get a key from me. And I'm also going to do, if you get a like a little celebration symbol, a little hat with a little celebration, you've automatically won a prize for me. So if you get that symbol, and you'll know what it is when you see it, you'll get a key and that symbol, email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com, and you will get a prize instantly. You'll get one of my giveaways, and I'm really excited about what we're giving away, and there's going to be a lot of things that you guys are going to like. And it's going to be things that I use and that I promote on my channel that you guys see me use all of the time. Products, big products, small products, food products, some of my seasoning products that I make. And don't forget, if you guys want a debubbler, they are going to be $6 plus shipping. So shipping is about $375 to about $380, I guess. Let's say $380. I'll give you the exact shipping. You can email me if you want one. It's the same price if you order up to 4. So if you have somebody that you want to split with, if you want to split the shipping with someone near you that needs a debubbler, it's much more cost effective if you do that for shipping. I can't go any less with the shipping. It's first class mail, but because they have to be shipped in a padded envelope, that's the cost of it. And I can't get any lower, and I'm really sorry. I am going to be giving a few of those away, but the price of shipping has gone up, and I'm really sorry about that. I really can't do anything more about that. So you would be going through me and then just paying me through PayPal, and I will explain that when you email me. We have a brand new shipment. They're a little bit thicker than they were the first time that you guys ordered. Not because they weren't good enough the first time, but that's how they made them. So we are waiting for another shipment of the regular size ones, and these just aren't as bendy. The other ones are just a tad bendy. They definitely will not break ever, but the first ones don't break either. They're unbreakable. They have the Canning Nana written on it and my logo, and they've got all of the markings, the step increases for your headspace, and they are great if you can. You definitely need a debubbler, you guys. Don't use a knife or anything like that. You need a real debubbler, and this one will be the last debubbler you purchase. It is unbreakable, dishwasher safe, and the writing will not come off. It's imprinted in it, and they are very, very high quality. I do sell them on Etsy, and you can look at my reviews on Etsy. My store is Jack and Diane Designs on there, but you can buy them cheaper from me because I don't have to pay Etsy costs. So either way, just let me know, and I will send you the details. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the Thrive March specials. Thank you for all of you who are my Thrive Life customers. If you're not already a Thrive Life customer, please check out my link in the description below. And Thrive has a lot of specials right now. It is food security, you guys. If you buy now with the inflation and everything with security, you are guaranteed to lock in those prices now for years to come. Or you could be like me and use some of it and put some of it away. So I buy half to use now and half to put away later. And I am building up quite a storage. And at today's prices. So who knows what those prices are going to be like for meat and vegetables and things in even another 6 months, the way gas is going up. So lock in those prices today. I will go over more of that in the next video for Thrive. Have a nice day, everybody, and don't forget the word of the day.